Hey, I'm Dave We Like, and in this video we're checking out the AT&T 3 handset connect to cell answering system with smart call blocker. This is the CLP99387 model, and there are some features over here. So we've got 1000 name and number smartphone call block directory, as well as unsurpassed range, connect to cell, mobile phone charging, digital answering system, push to talk. There is Siri, S-Voice, and Google Now access, mobile notifications, simulated full duplex handset and base speakerphones, caller ID, power backup, ringtone share, as well as expandable up to 12 handsets. Our baseline is on, we just have no clock and time. So let me go ahead and do that from here. So looking at the base unit itself, you can see cell phone 1's connected, cell phone 2 currently is not connected as that phone is out of the house. Typically, according to the manual, you want to be within a 15-foot range of the base and your cell phone in order to be connected. The closer you are to the base, maybe the better quality you'll be getting out of your handset. There is a little USB charger over here. So in order to connect our handset, we're going to go into menu, and we're going to go down to Bluetooth, click on add a device, add a cellular, go through this whole menu, and you can only have 2 devices connected, so we had to disconnect one of them, and so disconnected cell phone 2, so we're going to continue to wait, and then if cell, just continue on, next, and then here we go, that's the PIN code. Turn on Bluetooth on your cell phone and connect to AT&T DECT 6.0 and you're golden, you're good to go. So the next thing, if you want to, you can download the directory just by going down on your Bluetooth settings to download DRI, and you need a cell phone connected, of course, so you just click on that connect and go ahead and connect your Bluetooth device. It'll start downloading immediately if there's not a pop-up message on your cell phone. So there's a lot to digest with this phone. A lot of buttons all over the place, a lot of settings. So I'm just going to try and quickly walk you through them. Push to talk, let's push it. And then we have the options of selecting which handset we want to talk to, the base, the handset 1, handset 2, or you can actually use group and just talk to everybody. If you don't know where anybody is in the house, just go ahead, select that, connecting to group. Now we can hold down this and start talking. And then just like that, end talking when you're over. And so it is like a walkie-talkie, so the other user is going to have to get their phone, push to talk, and then release in order for you to talk. And so just like that, it ends automatically if you want it to, or you can go ahead and cancel it. And this is kind of the key here is, notice that there is the home and cancel over here. But when you want to make a cell phone call, you're going to type in your number, and then you're going to click on cell phone, not the home button. So let's just type in a number real fast, 555-555-555, something like that, right? So anyway, in order to call it, we just click on cell. So of course, there's speakerphone down here. It all sounds pretty good. It sounds like a typical landline phone. What's cool about this phone is it does include the voice assistant feature baked into your phone. So you just click on that, and my phone is a Samsung, so I'll be talking to my Bixby. If you, for example, have an iPhone, it'll talk to Siri. And so what you'll tell, one of these assistants to do is call this person, right? Instead of remembering their phone number or having to go through endless scrolls of your directory, you just simply say the name and it calls that person. It works flawlessly. It's awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, like always, leave them in the comment section below. You can subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos coming soon.